Hi guys, I am so excited to share this with you today. I finally get to share it. I've created Dominique's first ever built-in lash comb tubing mascara, and she is all the way from Italy. If you've ever struggled with mascara, smudging, flaking, clumping, or just lashes that don't stay lifted, this one is for you. She's sleek, chic, and very useful. The built-in lash comb oddly has never been done, so I'm really excited to share this with you guys. You will be the first to have a mascara with a built-in lash separating comb. If you're watching this right now, it's already launched. Go and grab it. It comes in black and brown. I've been developing this for a long time. I've put a lot of heart and intention into it, and I feel like this really represents what my brand is, and I hope you love it. I'll have all the information below. You can get it on Dominique.com. Check it out, and if you want to know more about it, keep watching. As someone who wears makeup every day, loves it, creates with it, mascara is a staple, and it's the foundation of the eyes. I've tried so many different mascaras, but it was time for me to create my own. I've created Dominique's first ever tubing mascara with a built-in lash comb. First ever on the market actually with a built-in lash comb, which is super exciting. I always want to bring you exciting innovation that's going to be helpful in your makeup routine to simplify, make your life easier, so you can be your own makeup artist. When I create a product, I don't want it to just perform for you. I love high performing products. I use them myself. I want instant gratification. I'm sure you do too, but I want them to also give you a long lasting benefit. It has peptides, so as you wear it, your lashes are getting stronger, they're getting fuller, and it has vitamin B5, so it's gonna nourish the lash at the root, soften, and just keep your lashes healthy and strong. So as you use the mascara, your lashes are getting healthier and benefiting from the formula. With mascaras, I always feel like you have to choose longevity, lift, definition, one or the other, but never all three together, or it's very, very rare. So when I started developing this mascara, my goal was simple: fullness, length, definition, zero mess. I wanted everything in one. And that's what I got, because I cannot stand when my mascara is running down my face, messing up my foundation, concealer, powder, and easy removal. It removes with warm water, so all you have to do, you don't need a cleansing oil, you don't need makeup remover, you don't have to scrub or rub around your lash. This is a sensitive area, so you want to be very gentle around the eye. All you need to do is get warm water, and it slides off in these little tubes. So this mascara has a tubing technology where polymers grip around each lash, forming a weightless, water-resistant tube. It's not going anywhere when it's on your actual lashes. And then when you're ready to use a lash curler, it's going to stay in place so good. Look how crazy lifted my lashes. I let the mascara kind of dry down just a bit before I went in. I like to curl my lashes before I start applying mascara, but if you wait till after, look how insane that looks. So crazy. All you need is a tubing mascara. Let it dry down, curl, and your lashes are gonna look like falsies. I have black on one side and I have one coat of brown on the other, so you could just see the difference. This neutral brown is gonna complement various shades of brown hair very well. With this mascara's tubing technology, you really only need one coat, and that tube will form over the lash, and you can continue to build it up, lengthen, lift, and add fullness with just one coat. If you go in with a second coat, it'll create another tube around the lash, giving you extra fullness. If you go back into your tube and continue to layer on the coats, you do run the risk of it getting clumpy, because the tubes will continue to layer over the lash and it'll just get fuller and fuller. So at your own risk, you can do more or less. I like two. Honestly, I like a little more drama. If you really want a lifted look, let your lashes dry down a bit, then go in with your lash curler and curl the lash at the base, and I just like to pump it, and you will get a really nice lifted curl that isn't going anywhere. If you do see that the lash curler clumped some lashes together, just get your lash separator tool that's connected and built into the mascara, drag it through the lash to remove any clumps, and there you go. It's full, it's lifted, and you have that beautiful definition. Even if it's raining, the water isn't warm enough to remove the lash tubes, so you are good to go even in the rain. Even when you're crying, unless you have hot tears. If you have oily lids, hate when your mascara smudges, want lifted lashes without falsies, or just clean defined makeup, this mascara is perfect for you. I'm so proud of this one. This mascara represents what Dominique really stands for. Beauty that works with you, not against you. You can get it on Dominique.com right now. Thank you for supporting my brand and being part of my journey. I cannot wait for you to try it. Before I let you go, I want you to remember you were made to rise. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.